The Rising Ark envisions a self-sustaining, modular high-rise replacing traditional urban planning in Tai Kok Tsui by the year 3000. As environmental conditions worsen and ground-based on infrastructure becoming obsolete, the project proposes a vertical ecosystem where living, services, and mobility are integrated into a flexible, elevated structure. After the seas engulfed the land, humanity no longer relied on the ground for survival. Instead, life shifted into a colossal 1,500-meter-tall megastructure, a self-sustaining vertical city of the future. Within this towering habitat, residents navigate the skies with aerial vehicles, traveling freely between destinations and spaces. One such space is connected to a sky parking terrace, where people can land and step into a hall dedicated to storing and sharing information. Inside, neatly arranged chairs invite a visitor to pause, rest, and reflect. This hall functions both as a place of leisure and as a hub of knowledge, where residents gather, exchange ideas, and access information, sustaining their pursuit of discovery in a new world above the waves.